Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, gas prices will see mixed movements effective tomorrow after a marginal increase last week. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will decline by $4.50, reflecting a decrease in prices on the global finished products market. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will, however, increase by $4.50. 79 cents will be added to the price of propane, while $1.19 will be added to butane. The global services industry, which includes business process outsourcing entities, says there has been a challenge meeting the full labor needs of the sector. President of the Global Services Association of Jamaica, Gloria Henry, addressed the issue at an event in Montego Bay recently. The business process outsourcing sector has seen exponential growth over the years, hiring more than 57,000 Jamaicans. However, similar to a large number of industries across the globe, the local sector says it's been difficult to fill all the available posts.
GSS firms need between 20 and 500 persons per month to either scale existing business or to fill roles that have been made vacant by attrition. So, like other Jamaican companies, GSS firms have had and continue to express some dissatisfaction with the level of persons graduating from the secondary school level. There are challenges, at the higher level, there are also some challenges, but not as many. There are some technical deficiencies that we have been working to fix.
President of the Global Services Industry Association of Jamaica, Gloria Henry, says the issues stem from the education system and the industry has sought to fill some of those gaps. She says despite the shortfall and other lingering effects due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the sector continues to yield growth.
Overall, the sector created 17,000 new jobs to record an overall growth of about 40%. And contributed over $2 billion since the pandemic, $2 billion US. It's also very important to note that we have grown in higher value segment of about 12%, which is very important to reinforcing our future in this global services sector.
She says by 2025, the global services industry is on track to employ 75,000 Jamaicans. Ms. Henry says despite the sector's contribution to growth, there needs to be more recognition, especially how the sector is ranked in terms of real value added.
I was sad because they're still grouping us in services. And that 12%, I'm sure, is probably 10% of our sector. So allow me to just say to you that, we want to really acknowledge the integral part that this sector has played in supporting employment and foreign exchange earnings over the last 40 years.
Let's head to the foreign exchange market today. The US dollar is being sold for an average $151.71. $116.75 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $178.50 for the pound, while it's costing an average $153.50 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE index lost 4,595 points today, while the junior market index fell by 29 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living Jamaica, Everything Fresh, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Radio Jamaica, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. While on the losing side were JMB Group 7% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Palace Amusement Company, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, Honeybun and Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.